Hey everyone! If you're gearing up for the ISC2 SSCP exam, you're in the right place. Today, I'm excited to talk about how Certs4Future can help you ace it with their incredible practice tests. Now, I know the Security Certified Practitioner exam can seem like a huge mountain to climb. Trust me, I've been there. But here's the secret weapon you need: practice. And not just any practice that prepares you for the real deal. Certs4Future offers a range of practice tests that mirror the actual exam structure and difficulty. These tests are meticulously designed to cover all the domains you need to master, from access controls to cryptography. So when exam day comes, nothing will catch you off guard. What makes Certs4Future stand out? First off, their tests are up to date. The content evolves with the latest trends and changes in the cybersecurity field, ensuring you're always studying the most relevant material. Plus, there's detailed feedback on every question. This means you can learn from your mistakes and see where you need to improve. Another huge plus is the timing simulation. These practice tests mimic the pressure of the real exam with the same time constraints. You'll get used to pacing yourself, which is a game changer for managing stress and staying focused. And let's talk about convenience. You can take these tests anytime, anywhere. Whether you're at home, in a cafe, or on the go, Certs4Future makes it easy to fit studying into your busy life. So, if you're serious about passing the ISC2 SSCP exam, don't go in unprepared. Head over to Certs4Future, dive into their practice tests, and give yourself the best shot at success. Remember, preparation is the key to confidence. You've got this. Happy studying and good luck on your exam. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.